Hello, everyone. Welcome to Going English A1 Listening Prep. Listen to each question carefully and answer the questions. This is an example. Listen and answer the question.
Where is Sofia?
Sophia, where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
Where is Sofia?
Are you ready? The audio will only play once. There are 15 questions in this test.
Where is Lucas?
Lucas, are you in the bedroom?
No, I'm in the living room.
Where is Lucas? What is Clara using?
Clara, are you using the TV?
No, I'm using my computer.
What is Clara using? What is Daniel opening?
It's sunny. I'm opening the window.
All right.
What is Daniel opening? Where is Liam?
Liam, are you in the bathroom?
No, I'm in the kitchen.
Where is Liam? What is Isabella sitting on?
Are you sitting on the chair, Isabella?
No, I'm on the sofa.
What is Isabella sitting on? What is Gabriel drinking from?
Do you need a glass, Gabriel?
No, I'm drinking from a cup.
What is Gabriel drinking from? Where is Amelia?
Is Amelia in the kitchen?
No, she's in the bathroom.
Where is Amelia? What is Ethan turning on?
It's dark. I'm turning on the lamp. Good.
What is Ethan turning on? What is Hannah opening?
I'm hungry. I'm opening the fridge.
There's some juice too.
What is Hannah opening? Where is Oliver reading?
Oliver, are you reading in your bedroom?
No, I'm reading in the garden.
Where is Oliver reading? What is Emily using?
I'm using a spoon for my soup.
Okay, not a fork.
What is Emily using? What is Noah sleeping on?
Are you sleeping on the sofa, Noah?
No, I'm on my bed.
What is Noah sleeping on? Where is Chloe?
I'm brushing my teeth in the bathroom.
Don't be late.
Where is Chloe? What does Grace want?
I want a new pillow for my bed.
Let's buy one.
What does Grace want? What is Jacob watching?
Jacob, are you watching a movie?
Yes, on the TV.
What is Jacob watching?
Great work, everyone. The transcriptions are available on our website. Go and check them out.